There's still more at the Grace Pavilion. We just discovered this. Couldn't let it pass. Great National Tourism Organization. Right, with loads of hotel. These also them. Quite a large space. They've taken marketing place. Opposite them is the Sardinia stand. Activities going on here. Sardinia stand. Let's see what they've got. Marketing their country. They stay part of Greece, Blue Lagoon Group, Greece. Greece, Ionian Islands. Wow, there's still loads of Greece things here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Sardinia. Is this part of Greece as well?
No, this is Italy.
Italy, okay. Sardinia. Is that how you pronounce it? How is it pronounced?
Sardinia.
Sardinia, okay. All right, thank you. Can I have some of this? Thank you. Maybe later. Carrying that will be difficult. All right, thanks a lot. Yeah. Okay. Just grabbed a pen for myself. Lovely, that would be useful. Yeah, this is Greece. Greece. These 16 areas are for inquiries, making deals, answering questions and all that. So probably partners, those interested in visiting a country. Each country has places where inquiries can be answered and potential deals struck. So this is what is happening at the Grace stand.